Hello students, welcome back. Today I am discussing about our new revised CBSE class 12th syllabus. Okay, because so many things already deleted. Okay, so I want to discuss our latest revised and new CBSE class 12th IP syllabus. So you can see Informatic Practice Class 12th. Our subject code is 065. Always keep in mind the subject code 065 2020 and 21. Okay. The first thing is you always keep all the topics in the mind of class 11th. Okay, because suppose Python language, data types, variables, loop, the basic you always keep in mind. In MySQL, DBMS concept, basic terminology, how to create database. So these thing always you keep in mind, then you will able to class 12th advanced thing easily. Okay, because this is a basic thing. Okay, now new thing of class 12th, learning objective. After completing this course you will perform following things easily. So at the end of the course student will able to create series, data frame and apply various operation. We already discussed visualize data using relevant graph, pandas chart we already discussed. Design SQL queries using aggregate function. Aggregate function means sum, max, mean, count, average. Okay, import and export data between SQL database and pandas. Learn terminology related to networking and internet. Identify internet security issue and configure browser settings we already discussed. And understand the impact of technology and society, including gender and disability issue. Okay, so this thing we will discuss. Let already discussed. Now you can see distribution of marks and periods. So you can see uh, in this you can see distribution of marks. You can see unit 1 data handling, pandas and visualization, 25 marks. Okay, this is 25 marks. Theory period 20, practical 25 practical, so total 50 marks. The second is database query and using SQL, so it also 25 marks. So weightage of unit 1 and T2, unit 2 is high, Python and MySQL, and 20 theory period and 17 practical, so 37 total thing. Introduction to computer network 10 marks only. Theory period 12 and practical is nothing, so total 12. And social impact 10 marks and uh, 14 theory period, practical nothing, so 14 marks. Okay, and a project is important. At the end of the course you must create a project based on pandas data handling with database SQL. We will discuss later. 7 marks and practical 30, so total is 100 marks paper. 70 marks for board exam and 30 marks for practical. Same thing as 11th class. Okay, so 71 theory and 49. This is the allotment of different things. Now unit wide syllabus, we already discussed about this thing, but again because our syllabus was mostly changed and mostly trimmed. So unit 1 data handling uses pandas 1. Introduction to Python libraries, pandas and matplotlib we already know for chart creation. Data structure in pandas, series and data frame we already discussed. Series, how to create a series using ND arrays. Okay, using dictionary, using scalar value, using mathematical operations. head and tail function, selection, indexing and slicing on a series. We already discussed. Okay, now data frame. How to create data frame from dictionary of series, a list of dictionaries, using a text or CSV, comma separated values, how to display, iteration, operations on rows and columns, add, select, delete, rename, okay, columns and rows, head and tail functions, indexing using label, boolean, indexing, okay, importing and exporting data between CSV file and data frames, okay. So this in the data visualization means we can say pandas chart topic, purpose of plotting, drawing and saving, following types of plot using matplotlib library, line chart, only line chart, bar graph and histogram, only three things. We have discussed so many graph, but in our syllabus, newly syllabus, you only learn three charts, okay. You only keep in mind three charts, okay. Three charts is line, bar and histo. Then you can change this chart, means customizing plot, adding label, title, legend on the plot. Now unit 2, database query using SQL. So only math function, power function, round function and mode function. In text function, U case or uppercase, L case or lower function, mid, or we can say substr, substring, substr, these are the same thing. Length function, left, right, INSTR function, Ltrim, Altrim or trim function. We already discussed. Date function, now, date, month, month name, year, day, day name. This function we already discussed. Aggregate function, max, mean, average, sum, count, using count star, means to count all the rows. Querying and manipulating data using group by, having and order by. So this is our revised syllabus, MySQL thing. Now in the computer networks unit 3 we discuss all things, but you keep in mind our actual syllabus part. Introduction to network, types of network, LAN, WAN, MAN we discussed. Network devices, modem, hub, switch, repeater, router, gateway, network topologies, star, bus, tree, mesh. Introduction to internet, URL, WWN, applications, web, email, chat, view, IP, website. Introduction, difference between a website and web page, static versus dynamic web page, web server and hosting of a website. Web browser introduction, commonly used web browser and browser settings, add-ons and plugins and cookies. This thing we already discussed in our unit 3 part. Now last chapter is societal impacts. So you can see digital footprint, net and communication etiquettes, data protection, intellectual property rights, plagiarism, licensing and copyright, free and open source software, FOSS, cyber crime and cyber law, hacking, phishing, cyberbullying, overview of Indian IT Act 2000, e-waste, hazards and management, and awareness about health concern related to uses of technology. So this social impact we already discussed. Okay, so this is our newly syllabus. Okay, means our syllabus will already reduced, only this part we again revise. Okay, so you can see now project work. This project work, here two things, our practical file, okay, which we are already discussed, and our project work is completely due. Okay, so based on Python concept and MySQL we can create also a project work. Okay, so project work. Now so you can see these are the things we can. So after completing this course you will create a real life application based on real life situation, case study situation. The aim of the class project, here I am discussing about project, how to create the project. The aim of the class project is to create tangible and useful IT application. Okay, the learner may identify a real world problem by exploring the environment. For example, a student can visit shops, business, place, and communities or other organization in their localities and inquire about function of organization and how data are generated. Student manage means in real life you can visit shops and banks and societies, commercially you can see how they maintain their accounts, and this account we can easily um, operate with the help of technology, Python and MySQL database concept. The learner can take data stored in a CSV. CSV means notepad file, text file, comma separated value, or database file, MySQL we can say, and analyze using Python libraries, series and data frame and pandas chart we can say, and generate appropriate chart to visualize. This is final output. If an organization is maintaining data offline, then the learner should create a database using MySQL and store the data in tables. Data can be imported in pandas for analysis and visualization. Okay, learner can also use Python libraries. We already use import pandas spd, import matplot pyplot splt. Okay, import numpywise as np. Okay, so learner can use Python library of their choice to develop software for their school or any other social good. So this is our project initiative we can take. Learner should be sensitized to avoid plagiarism means project, this is your own creation, don't copy other projects. Okay, and violation of copyright issue while working on project. So teacher should take necessary measures for this. Any resources, data, image used in projects must be suitably referenced. Okay, the project can be done individually or in a group of 2 or 3 students. The project should be started by student at least 6 months before the submission deadline. Okay, now this time we will discuss about project, how to create project or practical file. In practical you already written 10 Python programs. Okay, we already discussed about this thing. Okay, in a practical 10 Python program you already written. Okay, so you can see, so practical marks distribution. So practical weightage is total 30 marks. Total 30 marks is same thing in 11th class, but in 12th class also 30 marks practical for a board exam and 70 marks for theory exam. So you can see in practical 30 marks, also a marks distribution. First thing is program with Python using pandas and matplot, 8 marks. Okay, in the practical exam you must attempt practically Python and pandas chart program. SQL queries, SQL query will ask in the board practical exam, 7 marks. And third thing we already discussed, minimum 15 based pandas program, 4 based pandas chart matplot, and 15 SQL queries must be included. This is a 5 marks. So you can see here 5 marks practical files. In practical file you can write 15 programs of pandas, 4 programs of pandas chart, and 15 MySQL queries. Okay, this is a project work. Here I am already discussed about project work. Project work is 5 marks project. Okay, you can visit the real life situation and show the real functionality of shops, and then we can convert into practical project work. So 5 marks project and Viva voice. After completing this, so examiner will ask all the concept or project related question answers. So 5 marks things. So you can see the 30 marks, you can see 30 marks our practical part or dividation you can see. Okay, so here you can see in a practical you can do following things in our practical part. Okay, in practical file or in practical examination you can do following things. Suppose data handling. Okay, so in data handling means pandas series and pandas data frame. So creating a pandas series from a dictionary or values and ND array we already discussed. Given a series, print all the elements that are above the 75 percentile. Create a data frame quarterly sales and each sales contain the item category, item name and expenditure. Group the rows by category, print the total expenditure per category. We know we already discussed group by command, transform command, pivot command. So create a data frame from examination result and display row label, column labels, data types of each column and the dimension. Filter out row based on different criteria such as duplicate rows. So in our unit 1 Pandas series data, this kind of practical and practice you will done. Import and exporting data between pandas and CSV file. Okay. Thus, in pandas chart or data visualization chapter, you can do this type of practical activities. Okay, this is an example. Okay, so given the school result data, analyze the performance of the student on different parameters. For example, student subject wise or class wise. For the data frame created above, analysis and plot appropriate chart with title and legend. Okay, you can make histogram, line chart or bar graph. Take the data of your interest from an open source. Suppose data gov.in in aggregate and summarize it, then plot using different plotting function of matplot library. Means you can take the data from government data from different websites. Okay, and this data will store in CSV file and then you can perform pivoting, grouping and other aggregate operation and then you can create the pandas chart. Okay, means we can say the population of different state in India. Okay, this data will you can get from a websites and then you can analyze. Data management. Okay, in data management, create a student table with student ID, name, marks as attribute where the student ID is primary key. Okay, so this data means belong to our MySQL part. So in MySQL, you will done this type of practical exercise. Okay, this type of quality exercise you will I will include and you will do. So insert the detail of new student in about table. Suppose delete the details of a student in about table. Use a select command to get the details of student and marks more than 10, 80. We already discussed this thing. Find the minimum, maximum, sum and average of marks in student marks table. Find the total number of customers from each country in table. Suppose customer ID, customer name, country using group by command. This thing we already discussed conceptually and a school example I have already discussed. Write a SQL query to order the customer as student ID, marks, table and descending order of the marks. Okay, ascending and descending thing. So students, so this is our revised syllabus. Okay, so keep in mind. So in totality, so there are our 5 main parts. First parts belong to our data frame and series. Second part we can say pandas chart. Third part we can say our MySQL functions. Fourth part we can say computer networks. And fifth part we can say societal impacts on IT. Okay, and there's 100 marks paper in board exam, 30 marks for allotted practical and 70 marks for your theory. Okay, in 30 marks you can see you can create practical file and your project work. Okay, okay students, thank you so much.